Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Logo Switch Sopu. Today's topic is Islamic logo design. So let's start and doing this. I will change here something in the thumbnail. So let's see. Islamic logo design. Islamic logo design. You can see here. I will change here something. So let's see. Um, First of all, I will change here this thing. Um, I will change here with this, and this will be the no. It's won't be perfect. So let's see, and this will be the also. That's good. Here it is. How it look like? I think it's good. Good to see. So it will be the our thumbnail. So let's save it. Here it takes some time. It's not takes some times. You can see here. I will export it as I will send it at JPG format. So let's save it. You can see here I'm saving this and replace them with the first, and now I will create a new page and doing some load. So let's see. For the new document, click here new. You can see here I will take 10 into 10. So take this 10 into 10, and so let's start. My logo name is sorry, uh, type 2. My logo name is um, Islam. So I will take Islam. So here I will change it as, I will change it as 100. Make it 100. Make it 100 and write down this. Let's make it, I will use here Islamic font. So take, mark it here and take Islamic font, which will be the perfect here. Mm, the Islamic font, I have Islamic font, so which will be the better here? Where is my font? I don't know. Where is my font here? Where is my font? Mm, here I get one. Get one, and here, which one will be the best? This one is also nice. This one is also nice. So here, let's see here. Let's see how it look like. Mm, uh, it look like, it look very nice. It look very nice. I will take here something. I will make it as golden. Make it as golden. So try it out here. Make some golden color. I'll make here golden color. So golden, golden color. Which will be the golden color here? You can see it's the golden. I don't know what is golden. uh, I make here something ff ffd ffd 700 ffd 700. Yeah, I got the color, golden color. And now I will make here something else. So let's I will decrease its font size. So I will decrease its font size. Uh, Decrease its font size, and I will change here something. What will be the I will change here. Here you can see I will change something. Yeah, how it look like. I think it will be the okay, and color will be the same. FFD 700. FFD 700. This is the golden color also. So how it look like? How it look like? It look very nice. Very nice. You can see here. Very nice. So I will make here something change. So let's see. Uh, what will be the next? I don't know. If I make it black, how it look like? Make it black. Make it black. So make it here black. How it look like? We'll arrange it at the send it back. So how it look like? It look very nice. You can see here. This look very nice. So I will change here something. I will make it orange and orange and FFD 700. So I will make here something new. So I will change here many things. So let's see how I will change here. Mm, this one, which will be the perfect for it. I think which one will be the perfect. Which I need the perfect things. So let's try which one will be the perfect, and I will color it over there. So there is nothing. Is it look good? Does it look good? So let's see. I think it's look good, but uh, if I make it white color, how it look like? Um, it's look good, but not the perfect. So, which will be the best for it? Let's see. You can see here, I make a logo. So this is the end of today's class. Meet you in the next class. I will see. In the next class, I will show you many things in this logo. I will work on this logo. So this is the end of the class, and see you the next class. All of it.